Bago pa magpalipad ng diesel sa Dubai, nakapag-camping na kami. Malayo sa ingay ng syudad, walang traffic, walang pressure, bundok at hangin lang. Malawak at malimig ang hangin. Kaya naghanda na kami papunta. Niready na yung mapa, yung iihawin, yung kahoy na gagamitin, at iba pa. Bago sa amin ng lugar, kaya sa mapa, wala pang nakalagay na ruta. Elevator starts at the 7th floor parking area. Paikot-ikot, masikip.
And we can see you better. Ang Wadi Shauka Dam Park pala ay composed of 3 parts. Yung Shauka, nandun talaga yung camping area. Wala masyadong mga tao, wala siyang body of water.
1 hour and a half drive. Iwas lang sa overspeeding para walang fine.
Puro lang mountains and then grounds and may konting trees. Maganda doon kasi tahimik, walang video, okay, hindi crowded. What? We will wait for the iftar time. Okay? Yeah. We'll do that.
We're going for camping during Ramadan at hindi natin alam kung okay kumain or bawal. We will see later.
Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live in my mind? Only jump one, yeah, that's not great. But I also wanna make sure I'm okay. Living life.
Eyes on the signboard, guys. Kasi kapag nagkamali ka ng exit, ang layo ng U-turn.
So kung plano nyo mag-camping, just be careful kasi yung mga thorns, maraming mga thorns ang plants doon. Malaki, maliit, tough tree. Talaga masakit sa paa. So be careful sa mga thorns na mga plants niyo. Puro mga hills. Chocolate hills. Tas yung road, rough road, ano? Ganyan ka ba? Hindi siya kasing ano ng quality ng road na ano to?
Take the exit on the right.
So, Manama. Punta na tayo ng Bahrain.
Oman pa lang, baby.
In 300 meters, at the roundabout, take the third exit.
Ito pala yun. This is the heritage village in the map. But they call it Yeah.
on the right.
Nagkamali kami ng area. Napunta kami sa dump park.
That's not a pot. That's a plastic jar. There before I saw plastic.
Your destination is on the right.
That's an area to collect up water and bring it somewhere. And if you see the water going up, wait, I know this. I know what's going to be happening.
Hiking area pala.
The water is going to be.
Iba pa yung dump park, iba yung Heritage Village, at iba pa yung camping area na malawak.
Kung nasan siya area.
Teka lang, kunin mo natin to. Then, ito na yung dam. Okay. Ito yung mismong dam. Shauka Dam. Tapos, naghahanap tayo ng ating area for camping.
At napunta nga kami sa Shauka Dam na may hiking trail. Ang napuntahan namin is parang hiking trail ito. Hahanapin pa namin yung camping area.
Hoy, tara na, let's go!
So hinanap namin yung Heritage Village. Hi.
Kamusta? What's your name?
Sila yung isa pang pamilya na kasama namin, pamilyang Ron.
Say, what is your name? My name is Pio.
Oh, that's a nice name. To my picnic.
Lilipat kami ng area kasi hindi ito yung kampingan na sinahanap namin. So we're going there.
Ano ba? Saan ba tayo? Meron ba ditong dagat?
Bundok. So doon.
Okay, so here we go. This is the secret camping site in Wadi Shauka area in Ras Al Khaimah. Yan, as you can see, puro siya puno, bundok, valleys. Maganda naman yung road kasi maraming stones, small rocks, so hindi ka mababalahaw. You will not get stuck. Yan o. Pero kaming company. And then we're going to put our tents here. Yeah, and then this side, ganun din. Piokin was able to find a new friend.
So guys, nandito na kami. Maghahanap kami ngayon ng area namin na pwede. Pwede tayo mag-party-party. May speaker kami. Ano to? Ang area na to. Walang patag dito? Sige.
Careful! Ay, may ano siya, may thorns. Nakuna ano siya. Anak dito.
Dangerous. May gatan. No.
Ang sarap ng hangin. Ay, yung malaking ano.
Yay!
Water, may jar siya.
Give me that whooping.
So pwede pala kumain sa lugar na to kahit Ramadan.
Put his hand, and now he was a bandage, but now it is appeared.
Paminsan lang nakain, pero hindi pa niya kaya yung malalaki.
Baka copy-arrangement siya na. Disco party.
Saan kaya papunta yun?
Ay, Bobon! Makain kita sa land. Bobon na. Ikaw Sangay ka Tenga ng baboy and tilapia.
Oh,
Yan, so next naman is our inasay. Oh, you put your number. Put your yours. Put in the number. So what you will do? Put here versus
Diagonal. Daddy, do you want to play chess? Do you want to play chess? This is chess. You want to play chess? I'll stop my app in my phone.
tas dama.
No, I don't. This chess to look. I also.
Are you sure? I'm gonna eat it.
At dito namin isa-celebrate ang birthday ni Wifey.
Happy birthday to you.
Yan. Say happy birthday to you. Just celebrate. Come. Sing it.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Abish.
Yay! Happy birthday! Ay, hindi pa nakalak eh.
Mabe, Ramondon.
Nanuruhan na.
Maano ka dyan? Sige ka.
Siyempre, di mawawala ang barbecue.
Yuki, tanggalin mo yung clubs mo. Kasi mga ano yan ang apoy.
It's for I was because Daddy said.
Baka malayo sa mga edge yung kailangan.
Sige lang, kaya di Makati. Yan ang aking niluluto. Okay. Sa mga bata, ayan ang liligalig.
Round and round, round and round, round and round, the wheels of the bus go round and round.
All through the town.
Wait.
The driver on the bus says boop, 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 beep, beep, beep. The driver. The driver in the bus says beep, 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 beep. The driver.
The driver on the bus say move on back.
Ay, move on back pala. Okay, go. The driver on the bus says move on back,
Move on back. Move on back. The driver is here. Move on back.
all through the town. Kami on the bus says mama.
All through the town.
41, magpo-42 ako eh. 80 pa ako eh. Marami yan nagsasabi. Ngayon, apprentice ka pa lang.
Utility ka sa magsaysay.
Utility ka sa magsaysay.
Papugi ka.
Sa Ermita.
Mga pinsa ko puro siman.
Sa Ermita. Doon kami sa magsaysay.
Careful. Careful for the ano. Ang payapa ng paligid, ang sarap. Kaya pala nila mag-bike. Saan kayo naka-station?
Dito lang pala kita. Good morning! Ham. Ano? Pork. Oh, ham. Ang pasto. Si Dati Miriam daw. Hindi nga daw siya isinama. Sabi ko pa paano? Ngayon lang kasi ang birthday ni Red. Ba't ngayon lang kayo nagagaganyan sabi ko?
Masama talaga ugali nyo, di nyo siya sinama. Ito nasa Cleveland dito ba?
Hindi rin naiinit. Talaga tulog pa rin eh.
Hindi, sa loob naman hindi. Ito ang promoter. Si Bong ay cold din eh, no? Hindi malis na nga siya. Okay guys, this is day 2 of our weekend escapade in Ras Al Khaimah. How are you, my friend? It's okay. How are you, Daddy Paul? Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday, Mom.
Okay, so I would like to share how does it look like outside.
Papunta kami sa Heritage Village, doon kami magla-lunch.
Meron din mga nagka-camp. Oh, ganyan pala tsura niya. Ayan, following activities. Can I put it down the window, Dad? Ayan, para ano, maganda yung view.
Negative, my friend, negative.
Ayan, hakot-hakot, lipat bahay, lipat lungga, para makakain daw ang people.
Ibig sabihin po na ito yung binigay na maps niya.
At doon nagtatapos ang aming Xiaoqua experience. Sa susunod ulit,